boy.
Go down.
You down there.
Yes,
boy.
good boy. You have to. What else do you want to do? Kevin, stay. Good boy. Okay.
He's like, I don't know.
No, can I?
Yeah. Yeah, so Kevin, great off leash.
Kevin, come.
Comes when called really nicely.
Yes. Good boy.
He's playful. I should have brought a ball out to throw with him because I don't know that he often retrieves.
Kevin. Sit. Yes. Another down. Down. And we're not going to sit first. Do it down from Stephen. Yes, good boy. I'm giving it to you right away. Okay.
Good boy. What's out there?
What was out there?
Do you hear somebody?
What are you doing? Kevin, come.
Okay, you, Olive. Oh, and Finn. All right, come on.
Come here, Olive.
You goofballs. You heard the treats? You heard there were treats down here?
Yeah. Finn, my treat.
Well, he does get along great with other dogs. No problem there. Let's go wrestle.
I know, he loves Finn.
Looks like we got all the colors here.
You sit. Stop. You're bouncing at me, huh?
Yeah, Finn's good.
Sit.
Yeah, good boy.
What are you doing?
Okay, Kevin. Good boy.
potty.
Go potty. Good job.
Get it out. You down?
All right, Kevin.
Hi, Kevin. Kevin, can you do this distracted? Sit. Yes, good boy. I know, you guys are, it's tough when you're all puppies. I love your 2-year-old puppy.
Mm-hmm. Be 3 before you know it.
I know, January. Kevin! Sit. Sit. Why are you backing up? Come here.
Like, well, this guy keeps jumping on me.
Yes.
Finn. Mister.
Kevin. Sit.
Come here, Finn.
Finn. Sit. You are like,
I
you're
would-
hops, dude.
I would like to have a treat, please.
No, too bad. Down. Okay, well, you knocked it right out of my hand, Finn. All right, you sit. There, you got a treat, okay? It's not about you. Here, take a whole one. Go walk with it. Will that take you a minute? No, he's gone already?
Yeah.
You don't deserve it. You did nothing for that.
You guys look like nobody's ever fed you before. Yeah.
You really like treats.
Mm-hmm.
Kevin. Thank you. Good job.
Kevin. Come on over here.
What are we doing? off.
I was like, I'd like to do something.
How did you do down? Can you do it down from a stand?
Oh yes, you can. Takes her about 10
down.
seconds to get there.
I know, she has loading times.
Yep.
She has to buffer. Hold on a second. It's coming. Kevin! Come here. Oh, you stop calling each other. You boys. Come here. Sit. Yes.
Good job.
Thank you.